The question says we should factorize x squared plus 7x plus 6. X squared plus 7x plus 6. The first thing we are going to do is step 1. We are going to multiply the first term by the last term. That is x squared times 6. Not ordinary 6, but what? Plus 6. First term times third term will give us what? 6x squared. The next thing we are going to do is what we call step 2. We look for what? The factors of what? 6. What does it mean? Those two numbers that when we times, that will give us what? 6x squared. And when we add them, we are going to have what? Plus 7x. First of all, 6x squared have its own factor to be what? 6x and what? 1x. That is, you first of all say what? 6x divided by what? 6x squared will give us 1x. Meaning x will cancel x, 6 will cancel 6, x cancel one of these x, we are left with 1x. And when we say 6x times 1, 6 times 1 is 6, x times x is x squared. Correct. But when we add these two numbers, can we get 7x? If yes, then we are getting the factors of what? 6x squared that match. 6x plus 1x will give us 7x. So we are good to go. Then step 3. We say what? Replace this plus 7x with these two numbers. 6x and what? Plus 1x. Why? Because when we add 6x plus 1x is going to give us 7x. And when we times 6x times 1x is going to give us 6x squared. Then we are going to have x squared plus 6x plus 1x plus 6. Then we have x squared plus 6x plus 1x plus 6. We close our bracket, we close our bracket. What did they have in common? You can see x here, you can see x here. Bring one of the x out. Then we are left with ordinary x. Now, when we remove x from here, we are left with 6. Here will be what? Plus 6. Now, here now you know that what? 1 can divide itself and 1 can divide 6. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 6 divided by 1 is 6. So we are going to bring out 1 outside. Then we have x. Now, so that 1 times x is still 1x. Here we are going to have what? This, you see this plus 6, we are going to have plus 6 divided by what? Plus 1. So meaning that what? Plus 6 divided by 1, here will be what? Plus 6. Then you pick this x and plus 1. So here you are going to have what? X plus 1. And you pick 1 out of this number and x plus 6. This is the step-by-step method of what? Factorizing quadratic expression. I promise to do video on quadratic expression up to what? 8 questions. Subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Bye for now.